How to speed up your Squarespace website launch. So to speed it up, you should optimize your images by compressing them and ensuring they are in the right size and file type. First, head over here into your website, head over to your pages, and in here you can see all of this. You can also head over next to your styles, and you can find right here your actual styles for the site styles and likes. Under this case, let's proceed to edit this. No, so head over to the pages and then choose right here the page that you have and see if the images are available for resizing. Head over and click on edit. Then click right here into the actual image that you have. So on my page, I have in here this image. So click onto the image right there. Click on this pencil icon. And then after that, you can see alternate file name and the like. You can head over and click on edit right here. Doing this will actually help resize the pages for this or resize the actual image. Click onto this crop icon and change right here the crop and also enable some edits right there as well. So reducing the page size will also make your actual Squarespace website launch faster right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.